Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. We're gonna grill on the griddle outside. I haven't done that. I haven't filmed on it in quite a while. And Mama said she'd like to see something on the griddle. So chicken fajitas is what we're doing. I've got some chicken thighs here, boneless skinless chicken thighs. We're gonna season up, get them on there, make it nice and simple. I got a new seasoning I've never used before, and I can't wait to show you. So guys, let me show you what we're doing here, and we'll get outside and get that griddle fired up. Hey guys, I've never used this before. This is La Preferida. I'm gonna say it right. You know I butcher anything that isn't written in Kentucky. I don't know what it says, but Saison. I just seen this in the store, and I said over in that aisle, and I said I'm gonna give this a shot on these fajitas. So let's see what they taste like. It says all-purpose seasoning. But it was all over there with all the other fajita seasonings and all that stuff, so we're gonna find out. Go get these flipped over. You know we like to keep it simple around here. Alright guys, for our veggies, it's worked out so well in the past. I'm throwing on these frozen fajita blend that I picked up over in the frozen section of our supermarket. That's gonna be our dinner, guys. Just some good old chicken fajitas. Let's get the grill fired up and get out there on the Cuisinart 360 griddle. Or as my friends like to say, the round Blackstone. Guys, I'm gonna try to keep the vegetables over here, then I'm gonna grill the chicken over here. I got this on like a medium-low heat. Just a little oil for those vegetables. And showed you my frozen fajita blend veggies. I'm going right on top there. Try to keep them all on this side. I'm gonna have to spread them out for a minute, I'll tell you that. I'm gonna come in here with some more of that seasoning that I can't pronounce. If y'all use this, y'all let me know down in the comments if y'all use this one. I'll let you know how I like it. We're gonna get these veggies all seasoned up too. We'll let that cook a minute, and then we're gonna get the chicken on here. Alright guys, for our chicken, I got it set up a little bit higher temp, like a medium, might be a little bit medium high. Want this chicken to cook thoroughly. We don't want to burn it up. It's thighs, so we need to get the temperatures up a little bit higher. Alright, gonna give these guys a little bit of a stir there. Alright guys, it's been a few minutes. I'm gonna get these things flipped, see where we are. Got a little bit of ways to go. It's gonna be good on them fajitas. Very nice. You can see the sun has gone down. That's pretty normal around here this time of year. We're gonna keep letting them cook. Alright guys, give this thing a turn. It's cooking. I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit. Although we're getting some pretty good little sear on there, I'm okay with that. We're so thin. I just want to check some temps here. Yeah, we're very close. 165. I'm going to get these on up around 170, 175. Oh. Yep. Almost there, guys. Alright, guys. You can see that. 170, 72. Yes, that's going to carry over nicely. Get these off of here. Go inside and make some fajitas. Good deal. One last step, guys. Let's heat up some tortillas. This ain't gonna take but a second. Get this chicken over here, get this cut up into some strips. Y'all remember my Nakano knife? Stay tuned, guys. We got another one coming, and they're gonna have some big promotions through the holidays here, guys. Cannot wait. This chicken just falling apart. That's all right. Hey guys, throw our little tortilla here on our fine china we got going on tonight. I'm gonna come in with some of this chicken thighs grilled up on the Cuisinart 360. Grab some of these veggies over here. Right on top. I've got just a little salsa here. I'm just going to add just a little bit right to the top. Of course, we need a little sour cream. Put that right on there. Marvelous. Always overdo it. Would you look at that? Let's get a bite of that. You know, I always make these too big. I want to get a bite of this, guys. I'll tell you what, I kind of like that. Piece of that chicken. I want to taste that seasoning. It's a little sweeter. So I've never used this before. I can't even pronounce it. Saison from La. You may know how to pronounce that. I don't know. Y'all tell me if y'all used that before. Yeah. It's tasty. It's a little sweeter than I was expecting. Usually when I do a Mexican dish or something on this side, it's got a little bit deeper flavor. And this is more sweet to me, anyway. Another bite. Good. I'm gonna eat that. Guys, thank you as always. Enjoy doing these videos for you. We'll keep doing them as long as you're watching them. Thank you as always. Hit that like button, guys. Can't wait till next week. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification to let you know every time I post a new video. Guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.